For the repair of Hyundai HIAN08, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we used 220-volt AC power supply and a portable tester. At first, we trip the breaker manual.
Next, we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. We perform a long time delay test and the breaker trips after about 40 seconds.
It is now clear that the ACB HIAN08 is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.